Hi, it's Erin with Snowberry Design Co. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 really simple paintings that you can do on the front of cards. For this first design, I'm starting by painting 3 red berries. Next, I'm adding in these tiny leaves, 2 on the right side and 1 on the left. And then with a darker green, I'm adding in these little sprigs. Now I'm using my red Tombow dual brush pen to write Happy Holidays beneath my berry sprig. Super simple. For the second design, I'm sticking with traditional Christmas colors, so I'm writing out Merry Christmas right in the center of my card. To decorate this with watercolor, I'm adding a little sprig beneath and above my lettering. I'm just making sure that all of my leaves are going the exact same way, as if they were all connected in one wreath. And last, I'm going to add in some little red dots to act like berries. For the third design, I decided to mix it up a little bit and do more of a winter color scheme rather than use traditional colors. I'm using my metallic brush pen, and I've written out Season's Greetings. I've mixed a dark teal using Perylene Green and Ultramarine Blue, both by Daniel Smith. I'm starting with some leaves and then kind of angling these outward from my sentiment. Next, I'm adding in some dark blue sprigs and using ultramarine blue. Last, I'm using Payne's Gray to add some little berries and some detail lines to my leaves. For the last design, I decided not to use any words and to just paint a tiny poinsettia. I'm using the exact same steps I used in my simple poinsettia tutorial. So if you'd like to see that video, I'll link it down below. The only difference is this is on a much smaller scale, and I've added some tiny sprigs and berries to this one instead of more leaves. If you found this video helpful or fun to watch, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and to share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure to check out my Christmas watercolor playlist to see even more of my Christmas tutorials. Thanks again for watching. Bye!